Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unpacking a frustrating question. Why does the dealership take so long to fix your car? If you've been stuck waiting for a repair, this video is for you. We'll explore the factors behind delays, how long common repairs typically take, your rights as a car owner, and what you can do if the process drags on. Let's get started. Factors influencing repair delays. There are several reasons why a dealership might hold onto your car longer than expected. Understanding these can give you a better idea of what's going on behind the scenes. First, parts availability. This is one of the most common reasons for repair delays. If your car needs a specific part that isn't readily available, the dealership will need to order it. Depending on the part and its manufacturer, this can take a few days, or even weeks. Older cars or models with uncommon specifications are especially prone to this issue. Parts for these vehicles may be back-ordered or need to be shipped from overseas, causing further delays. Then there's the complexity of the repair. Not all repairs are created equal. Some fixes are quick and straightforward, like replacing brake pads or an oil change. But others, like diagnosing an electrical fault or replacing an engine, require significantly more time. For example, a transmission repair might take 3 or 4 days, while a complete engine replacement can take 1 to 2 weeks. The more intricate the problem, the longer it's going to take. Another major factor is technician availability. Dealerships often have multiple cars lined up for repairs, and skilled technicians are in high demand. During busy periods, like after a holiday or during bad weather seasons, or if the dealership is understaffed, your car might spend more time waiting to be worked on than actually being repaired. And don't forget about warranty or recall work. Repairs covered by warranty or recalls often require approval from the manufacturer before they can be completed. This adds a layer of bureaucracy, slowing down the process. While it ensures the repair is done under warranty, it can mean longer wait times for you. Typical time frames for repairs. So, how long should you expect common repairs to take? Here's a quick breakdown. A brake replacement usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. An oil change or tire replacement, that's under an hour. Transmission repairs typically take 3 to 4 days. An engine replacement can stretch to 1 to 2 weeks. An electrical system repair might take 2 to 3 days, depending on the complexity of the issue. Knowing these timeframes can help set your expectations and reduce the frustration of waiting. What are your rights? Now, let's talk about your rights as a car owner. In the UK, for example, there's no specific legal time frame for how long a dealership can hold your car. However, under the Consumer Rights Act 2015, repairs must be completed within a reasonable time frame. What's considered reasonable? It depends on the circumstances. Factors like the complexity of the repair and parts availability come into play. If a dealership is taking an unreasonably long time, you may have grounds to request a refund, repair, or even a replacement, especially if the delay is preventing you from using your car for essential purposes, like work or travel. What to do if the dealership takes too long? Feeling like the repair is dragging on? Here's what you can do. Stay in contact with the dealership. Regularly check in for updates on your car's status. Let them know if you're under time constraints, like needing the car for work. Request a loaner car. Many dealerships offer loaner cars or courtesy vehicles for extended repairs. Don't hesitate to ask if this is an option. Ask about rental reimbursement. If the delay is excessive, some dealerships might cover the cost of a rental car, especially if the repair is covered under warranty. Escalate the issue. If the dealership isn't giving you satisfactory answers, ask to speak with the service manager. You can also contact the manufacturer directly to apply pressure and speed things up. Recognizing unreasonable delays. What counts as an unreasonable delay? Here are some red flags. The dealership keeps changing their timeline without clear explanations. Parts have been on order for weeks with no updates. You're not getting a straight answer about when repairs will be completed. If any of these happen, you may have grounds to seek compensation or take further action. Storage fees and warranties. Here's something else to keep in mind: storage fees. Once your car is repaired, dealerships usually expect you to pick it up promptly. While most won't charge you for leaving the car for a day or two, extended delays might result in storage fees. Also, if your car is under warranty, remember that the repair process might take longer. Manufacturers often require dealerships to get approval for costly parts or labor, which can extend the timeline. How to minimize repair times. Want to speed things up? Here's how you can help. Book in advance. Scheduling your repair ahead of time reduces waiting. Provide clear information. Explain the problem in detail when you drop off your car. Stay in touch. Regular updates can sometimes keep your car on the dealership's radar. In most cases, dealerships aim to complete repairs as quickly as possible. But delays can happen, especially for complex repairs or rare parts. By understanding the process, staying informed, and knowing your rights, you can minimize frustration and ensure your car isn't held longer than necessary. If you've got more questions or want to share your own dealership repair experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car tips and advice. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in purchasing cars, just go to this website and clinch it now before they get sold out.